So, there is this news about after 13 years of gap, the Paris Waiters race has taken place this year. So, these are servers who walked about 2 kilometers with a croissant, a glass filled with water, and empty cup with the saucer, coffee cup with saucer. So, there was no coffee in it. And the rules were that they should not run, and they should not spill or drop, and they should walk with one hand carrying the tray. Both the hands cannot touch the tray. So earlier, this race happened a lot of times, and then it stopped, and now after 13 years this race has happened. So I'm just doing a psychic reading to see what insights I can get about this race, and what this art interpretation will tell me about the race. So this is the result I got, and we will study this art to find what insights it has to give me about the waiter's race and what it has to tell me about it. So when we are looking at this art, one, there is a umbrella, and there are these ducks which are walking. So there is one protection from rain because the ducks are wearing the raincoat. So what I'm seeing is that there is overtly a lot of protection being given to the ducks. One, they are been wearing raincoats, and then there is an umbrella as well protecting them. So I am seeing this waiter's race is going to be very precious, and all the care or double over care will be taken that the race goes well, not just one level care or precautions taken, or doubly a lot precautions and safety measures will be taken, or weather will be studied so that it doesn't spoil the race day, or even if it does, then whatever is the measures needed will be deployed. So I am just saying that this race is going to be very well looked after, and the government or administrator are going to ensure the race goes very well. So the waiters are well protected, as well as then there is a double shield to the race going well. Then we see this duck walking, and she is wearing a different coat, and then there are three ducks behind walking which are in the red raincoat. So one, it's telling me they are following a very simple thumb rule, that let us do what our predecessors have done, or what people how the race happened before is exactly how we do it now. So these three ducks which are walking behind the mama duck, or the elderly duck, are saying let's just follow the footsteps and do whatever needs to be done. It's just that they look different, or their raincoats are different. So I am seeing that the race will be same to how it was being held before 13 years before, and there will be no changes in the rules. It's not like they will bring in some new rules or start doing something new. No, the race will continue to be exactly the same way done, the way it was done before, and they're just going to follow into the footsteps of how their predecessors did it. Then the other thing I'm seeing is there's a child holding an umbrella, so there's a lot of playfulness to it, and it's just like they want everybody to have a lot of fun also, because I don't think while a child is trying to protect the duck and ducklings, it can do it the way an adult would. So one, they're not coming with the police reinforcement, or cops are not coming, clearing up the streets. These are just regular people who may volunteer, and they may say, okay, we can do this kind of, we can be part of the security, we can be part of the, whatever needs to be done in terms of taking care of how the race is done. So I don't think heavy duty cops are going to be roaming around on the streets, because you see here the child is holding a umbrella, so it's just like something very fun. But definitely measures will be in place, but it's nothing heavy duty, so it's going to stay very light hearted. The texture of the race is not going to change, it will stay the way it was done 13 years back, or how the race was when it started, how and what the rules were, will continue to stay. And it's doubly over protected, so waiters are very well looked after. Plus there is a another level of protection which is given, so very very safe environment is going to be created for this race to happen. So I am seeing a lot of success here. So also when the child is sitting, there are these there is a line or a grass going around it. So I am seeing that lot of they are going to go beyond, or not just stay within a certain boundary. So creatively, or with all the protection given, they could still be venturing out or trying new routes. It's not like they're going to keep walking the same route or same city. This could happen in more cities also, not just tied to one boundary. You see, there were ducklings and duck is walking outside the boundary. So they could be doing it lot more cities also in time to come.